Children, today we are going to learn about area of trapezium. So this is the trapezium. Let us mark it as A, B, C, D. To find the area of trapezium, draw perpendiculars from shorter parallel side to the longer parallel side. We can see here in a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So in this trapezium, AB is parallel to CD, AB is the shorter parallel side and DC is the longer parallel side. So draw perpendiculars from A and B to DC in this way. So AE and BF are the perpendiculars drawn from AB to DC. Now after drawing the two perpendiculars, we can see that the entire trapezium is being divided into three shapes, that is triangle ADE and triangle BFC and rectangle AEFE. Triangle ADE is a right angle triangle, BFC is also a right angle triangle and ABFE is a rectangle. So let us mark DE as M, FC as N, EF as P, AB also becomes P. Why? Because in a rectangle opposite sides are parallel. And AE as H, BF also as H. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle AED plus area of triangle BFC plus area of the rectangle ABFE. Now area of triangle ADE is equal to half into DE into AE. We know that area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here DE is the base and AE is the height. So DE is replaced with M and AE is replaced with H. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half into M into H. And area of triangle BFC is equal to half into FC into FBF, but FC is being replaced by N and BF is being replaced by N. H. So area of the rectangle ABFE is equal to P into H. So area of trapezium ABCD is equal to sum of all these areas, half into M into H plus half into N into H plus PH. So taking half H as common, we will be left out with M plus N plus 2P. Now let us split 2P, half into H into M plus N plus P plus P. So we know that M plus N plus P is CD. So let us mark the length of CD as Q. So replacing M plus N plus P in the above step, we will get half into H into Q plus P. So half into H into Q is the length of CD and P is the length of AB. So we are arrived at the formula, half into H into CD plus AB. So H is height, CD and AB are the parallel sides. So therefore area of the trapezium is equal to half into height into sum of parallel sides. Now let us discuss an example on area of trapezium. Find the area of the trapezium. This is the trapezium. 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters are the parallel sides and the distance between them is 6 centimeters. So 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters are the parallel sides and distance between parallel sides is called as the height. So we know that area of the trapezium is equal to half into height into sum of parallel sides. So here 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters are the parallel sides and 6 centimeters is the height. So replacing height, substituting those values in the given formula, we'll get it as half into 6 into 5 plus 10. So half into 6 into 15, which is equal to 90 by 2, 45. So therefore area of the given trapezium is equal to 45 square units.